Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to tone your 613 hair. The hair that I have is from Miyihair, and it is their 613 3A texture, and I have 4 bundles of 28 inches and a 20-inch frontal. Alright, I constructed this wig by myself, and like this is really how it looks like outside of the pack and stuff, and right after I constructed the wig. So it wouldn't work for my skin tone, so I had to go ahead and tone it. And first I used this purple shampoo, and this was from the Shine and Silver collection. This one is really cheap and it actually worked, but I just found that it took a longer time to actually work. So I just went ahead and messily like scattered the shampoo. Actually, this was conditioner. I thought the conditioner would be more like less harsh on the hair, because you know how shampoo strips the hair. So I got the conditioner and I just went in and started putting that through the hair and washing it. And be careful, because you don't want to leave it in for too long, because then it will turn the hair purple. But I just went ahead and just started washing, and as you can see, it can like starts turning like a darker color, like silver almost. So you'll see that, and you just want to massage that into the hair. You could do it in a better way, like you can, like I have a college sink and I was like trying to hurry up so I didn't get anyone else in the video, and it's just a little uncomfortable filming in the college community bathroom. So yeah, you can do this in a better way, but like starting and parting it and, you know, distributing it evenly. But I just went in and just distributing it all over the hair. I used a whole bottle of this, and then later on I actually went and used the Shimmer Lights shampoo, and that one is so much more stronger. It actually works quite better. And I went and washed this like a few times. I went and washed it first, like just stripping it, and then washed it like right after. And then the second time I used this, the same one, I left it in for about 5 minutes, and I still wanted it to be a little bit more like silver-ish and like toned more. So I went in with the Shimmer Light shampoo. I only had a little bit left, so yes, that one did the job like really well, really quick. So I do suggest you to get that one if you do want to do it more quickly. But this conditioner is actually, it really like conditioned the hair. I actually liked how it felt. It felt really nice and soft. And don't worry about like it getting on the frontal or whatever, because it doesn't really matter. This is what it looks like when it's fully covered with the first coat of the conditioner. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna wash it out. Okay, this is what it looks like once I washed it the first time, and it just was like a little bit still, I don't know, brassy, and like I feel like it wouldn't work still. So I went in again with the conditioner, and this time I just let it sit for 5 minutes instead of washing it immediately. Here, as you can see, the Shimmer Lights, I think I used a shampoo. It's much darker. Like this one is really dark, so be careful, because this can really like stain, and like just it is really powerful because it's like much darker. And I suggest you get this one first if you really want to do it more effectively and efficiently. I just went for the cheaper option. I just like tried it and actually like the Shimmer Lights one better. And as you see, I ran out, so I had to put some water in and try to manage for the rest of the hair. But the spots that it did get, it turned it like silver really quickly. compared to the other one. So once you do this and let it sit, I think I let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then I rinsed it out, and this is the outcome. It looks so gorgeous. It's so nice. I'm gonna have like a series of like how I applied and everything. So just stay tuned, but this is just how I made it work for my skin tone. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, comment down below anything you want in like video ideas or whatever. And follow me on my social media links, they'll be down below. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!